It's time for a Monday garden update. We're gonna check on the garden. We're gonna plant some things in the Kratky containers, fire up the mini NFT system, take a look at my new pH pen. We're gonna harvest something and plant some Swiss chard. So let's get started, shall we? If you would like to learn how to make these Kratky containers with no money, no power tools, upcycling some reused containers that are lying around your house, video link down in the description. If you would like to see how I built this little mini system, I'll leave a video link down in the description. I'm really excited that I got my new pH pen. I waited a while for this, but boy is she a beauty. Look at that. What an awesome piece of equipment. Even came with some calibration packs and a storage solution pack. I see a pH calibrating video in the near future. Now let's get back to the garden. This is the white radish in a wicking bucket, and those leaves are looking scrumptious, so we're gonna go ahead and harvest some. If you want to learn how to build this wicking bucket, go check out my YouTube channel. This is the water spinach in a colander in a bucket of water. This is also the second time I'm harvesting this water spinach. And last but not least, let's check on the lettuce in the large hydroponic system. If you enjoyed that video, please watch another one, and always cultivate kindness one seed at a time. Thanks for watching.